welcome back to another DGP Diecast Grand Prix unboxing. Today we got one of the new models, a 2020 Toyota Tacoma, one of my favorites. I'm a big Toyota fan. My family grew up buying Toyotas, so I actually already have a 2020 Toyota Tacoma in white, so we will go ahead and be comparing that. So this is the model I currently have, already unboxed, and we're going to be comparing it. So let's get into it. All right. First and foremost, I really like this, it's like a pastel blue, and it's like a matte. It's not glossy, as you can see, which I like. It's a little different. I like how they included the orange and red and black decals there with the really nice spin test here, like brown dirt tires for off-roading. Lights in the front look great. You know how I feel about the lights. Toyota logo in the front, black hood scoop, maybe that sporty vibe. I think this model looks amazing. I had to get it. I actually might like this one even more than the white, because the white's more plain, where this just has like more colors all around. Hot Wheels logo down here. Let's take a look at the back. Tacoma logo in the back. Lights painted as well in the back. This is the type of detail that Hot Wheels should be putting in all around. Lights painted, decals everywhere, great colors, great paint job. '2020 Toyota Tacoma. Let's go ahead and compare it quickly. Which one do you guys like more? Leave a comment down below. Do you like the blue? Do you like the white? 2020 Toyota Tacoma. I mean, just color-wise, I think this blue one's way better. Let's bring in the white. Once again, guys, let me know which one you guys like more. Do you like the white 2020 Toyota Tacoma, the blue 2020 Toyota Tacoma with the dirt tire rims and the dirt tires and the black rims? Do you like the blue rims on the white? This actually might be pretty cool. Blue rims. Let's cover this up. Blue rims on the blue. That might look pretty cool too. Kind of like that. Let's try and do it like this. Blue rims on the blue. Let's look at the dirt rims on the white. That looks pretty cool too. Let me know what combination you guys like more. And that's that. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. We're trying to build a community. These trucks are going to be raced on the racetrack. And any questions, leave them down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm going to be doing some more unboxings. I got plenty of other cars to go ahead and unbox before we start getting into the races. But once again, we're trying to build a community. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching another DGP unboxing.